Small secret revealed: do so. And leave your bathroom clean and smelly for 24 hours. To start this tip, we will need a lime. I'll cut him in half. Now I will use a juicer to squeeze the juice from each of the halves into a container. Tell me if you've ever used lime to help with housework. I'll also use some vinegar. The optimal amount for this mixture is 2 tablespoons. It is really surprising. Next, I will put 2 tablespoons of soap powder. What I like most about this tip is that it is very easy to do. I do it myself often in my home. I'm sure you'll get into your routine. Next, I will add 100 milliliters of water and also a tablespoon of baking soda. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to April Heather from Canada. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. After I started cleaning my bathroom with this mixture, I never again had to worry about bad smells or bad odors. I'm gonna transfer all our product into a spray bottle. This will help control the amount we apply, avoiding waste. We will use a phone to transfer our mixture into the spray bottle. Do it at your house, and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure you will love it, and even thank me for teaching you this amazing tip for cleaning. You will never spend on those expensive products sold in the markets. Now that our mixture is ready, just apply it inside the toilet. You will notice that any bad smell will disappear right away. In addition to eliminating bad odors, this tip also helps to keep the toilet much cleaner. Even your friends will ask you to teach, because the end result is really amazing. With a few everyday ingredients, we can make a really powerful mixture. We'll eliminate all germs and bacteria from your bathroom. After applying our product, just perform a light brushing. My sanctuary vase was shining like new. After I started using this tip, even I was surprised. After seeing the difference that makes, use of it to clean the bathroom, I'm sure even your family will ask you what the secret to keeping the house so smelly is. They can't imagine that. I did it using affordable ingredients that we all have at home. If before you did not know what the owners of large establishments did to keep their bathrooms so clean, now you know. Finally, it is enough to trigger the discharge to finish the cleaning process. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.